Okay, so you just finished watching a video about market segmentation and the ways that we break up a market. So we use like your demographics, geographics, psychographics, customer behaviors, and such to break up that market. The reason that we do this is so that the marketing team and the promotional team can determine how much money to allot towards their budget for promotions. You can't just mass market everything. There are only certain things that you would want to promote like that, things that people use all the time, like milk, for example. Most people will drink the milk unless they're lactose intolerant, so you can mass market something like that. Toilet paper, toothbrush, toothpaste, things like that. But for basic items or more practical items that people, not everybody would use, let's say, sorry, I got a little twisted up there, but for things that not everybody is going to use, let's say like a Jeep Wrangler, we can break down our market and segment them by these different classifications. So you're going to be pulling up your customer profile worksheet. You're going to be taking a look at that. On it, it says directions. This graphic organizer will be used to develop a customer profile for a product of your choice. So you're going to pick any product you want to pick, and you're going to write it out on that line. And then you have to break it down. So when we talk about age, gender, income level, marital status, ethnic background, those are all demographics. So you're going to be very clear in your description of who's going to use this product. I don't want you to say any and all. Of course, anybody can buy your product, but who are you targeting? You're going to be spending money to try to attract these people. So you have to really think about who are you trying to attract. For an example, yeah, if you're a hunter, anybody could be a hunter, right? Male or female, but primarily we're going to put that money towards the males and try to attract males. So you don't want to write both male and female. You're going to use your primary target here. The gender, we just covered that. For age, that's part of your demographics. Be kind of specific. Like, yeah, maybe your hunters are going to be primarily age 21 to, I don't know, 45. And you're going to have young kids that hunt, and you're going to have old men that hunt. But primarily, who are you targeting? Who's your target? The other people are what we call outliers. Yes, they're going to purchase your product. However, they're not who we're targeting. So you want to be very careful with that. Your income level, how much should someone typically make per year to be able to afford the product or service that you are offering? Typically, are these people male or their marital status? Are they married, single, divorced, widowed? What are they? So you're going to want to talk about that. Now, this is the one case where both single and married people might want to be a hunter. So you would write both of those things down. Ethnic background, what ethnicity typically would you find hunting? So you're going to want to break that down. Yes, again, there's people of all races that are going to hunt, but break it down. Who are you targeting? Specifically, who are you targeting? Then they talk about your geographic residence. Again, it's demographics, geographics, so we're going to break that down. I don't want you just to say Michigan. I want you to think about geographically, where are they? Are they southeast? Are they northwest? What county are they in? What region are they in? What city, state? Are they in the United States? Are they global? You need to describe that in your geographic residence. And again, we're not targeting everybody. We are narrowing it down so that we're not spending too much money on our promotions. We want to be able to make a profit. Okay, and then you're going to take a look at their psychographics with their attitudes and lifestyles, and then the last one is their behavior. It could be their shopping behaviors. Like I mentioned when I did the Target, and I said that I shop at Sam's Club every 2 weeks, so you're going to want to look at their types of behaviors. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and fill this out, and we are going to be talking about this when we meet up again. All right, take care. See you soon.